Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool product that was sent to me by RGB Link. This is a phone stabilizer tripod with face tracking. This guy can be extended out extremely long. So if you want to do some selfie videos or photos or things like that, this is going to be outstanding for that as well. It has a built-in tripod, and unique to this model, it actually has a 4-leg tripod, which is super cool. It has a remote control built into the handle that offers a bunch of features as well. So let's take this guy over to the desk. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this device and show you some of the other accessories that come along in the box. You guys ready? You're ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So in the box, these are some of the other additional accessories that come with it. You get a starter manual, you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you get this cool little LED light. This is a bicolor light. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So let me show you guys some of the cool features that this little selfie stick from RGB Link brings to the studio. All right, guys, I want to give you a close-up look at the device, the way you'll find it once you basically unbox it. So let's scroll down here a little bit, and you guys can see that it's mostly metal. There's a little bit of plastic in this model. It does come with the remote, and as I mentioned before, the remote is housed right here inside of one of the legs. Easy to remove this. You can just grab this little guy and it just pops out like so. Now you have 3 buttons on the remote. You have a shutter button for taking photos. You will have to pair this up with your phone. And then you have these 2 function buttons here. So you have a single press, a double press, and you have a long press for these buttons. Now to turn this remote on, you're just going to press and hold this for a few seconds, and you'll get the little green light that pops on letting you know that it is active, and you'll be able to control all of the gimbal functions with this included remote. Now, another cool thing about this, guys, is that the legs are completely supported. As you guys can see here, you actually have 4 legs on this guy. If you look underneath here, you guys can see the aluminum reinforcement for the legs, which is really nice. It also has these little rubberized sections right here that are anti-skid to prevent it from sliding around on like marble floors or wooden floors or a desktop or something like that, which is really nice that it, it's included this as well. I am a fan of this initial design. All right, guys, I want you to take note of this little camera lens that you guys see right here, and there's a little sensor. This is what you're going to use for your face tracking and your gesture controls. Okay, so whenever you are using your phone in that mode, you do have to have this facing you. Now, there's a number of different ways you can activate this. If you look here on the back, you have a button that you can press to turn it on. But before you do that, you do need to unlock it. So that means that now this can move freely. Here is your USB-C also for charging the unit. And you guys see how that just kind of moves freely as it is. Now, as far as the light we were talking about before, there's a magnetic section on either side of these that you can actually connect the light to. It only connects on one side of the light, so you have to keep that in mind. So when you pop that guy on, it'll just kind of stay on just like that, which is really nice. Now, let me show you guys something else. Now, there's a number of different ways that you can set this up as far as orientation goes. So you can actually take a phone. Let me show you guys here. All right, so you have 2 different ways that you can mount your phone. So you can mount your phone in this orientation that you guys see here. Now, of course, you want your rear-facing cameras if you're recording yourself or someone else, because this is going to be your more powerful cameras. But even if you're using it in a selfie mode, you'll be able to do that as well. Just make sure that this little camera is facing whichever direction of the camera that you're going to be using. So if you're using the selfie camera, you want this to be facing in the selfie mode. If you're using the rear camera, it won't matter as much, but you could easily do the same thing. You could just take this and flip it around like so. And now your rear cameras are now facing you. You can also do this in a portrait orientation. So what's nice about that, if you create content for like Instagram or TikTok or something like that, this is going to be ideal. So this is another way that you can mount the phone. So let me show you an additional way that you can mount the phone as well. So you have the option of mounting the phone in a traditional orientation like so. So if you were going to be using this again as a selfie camera, so you have two options when it comes to mounting your phone. You can obviously mount the phone in this orientation like so. This will grip. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max and it fits it perfectly. And it also can go into landscape orientation. Now you can do that auto by using the remote to control it. So right now it's turned off. So let's grab our remote and let's turn this guy on. All right, guys, so now I'm going to demonstrate some of the functions that you can do with the remote. So right now we have the single press and it will switch it from portrait to landscape. And press it again, it will go back. You can double press. This is the top button and you will get a rotation. So you have a ton of features that are automatically built in to this little gimbal that normally would be associated with your more expensive cameras. I could see a lot of, functionality for recording yourself, events, product videos, so many different things you could use these camera features for. And especially, for your vacation videos. Now, again, this is a very large iPhone and it's able to accommodate it with no problems. All right, guys, so in this portion of the video, I'm going to demonstrate the tracking features of this camera. So you use two gesture controls. One is going to be the OK symbol by just doing the OK. So now it is in tracking mode. So as I move around, you guys can see how the camera module is tracking me as I move, which is going to be excellent for like your DIY videos. And then at any point, if you want to stop it, you can just put your palm up like you guys see me doing here, which will take it out of tracking mode. And then you can just use it traditionally the way you would normally use it. Depending on the phone that you're using, I'm going to show you guys this really quickly here. You can adjust this all the way up like you guys see here. But again, this is going to be dependent on the weight of your phone, if your phone can support this or if it can support the weight of your phone. Okay, so let's test it out. So this will give you a little bit more freedom, especially if you're like myself and you're attaching microphones and things like this to your phone in order to record. This is really going to come in handy, guys. And then even when you do your 360 rotations, all right, guys, from my perspective as a videographer, filmmaker, content creator, I am very, very impressed with this little camera. I think for a lot of people, this is going to be an amazing product to have in your arsenal. The fact that you can just easily connect your light to it. Let's go ahead and turn that light on real quick here for you guys. Pop that guy on there. So yes, this is a win, guys. It is a win. So if you're looking for something for your Instagram videos, your TikTok videos, this is going to be an excellent product because you also have your bicolor light here. This has a couple of different modes and you can just press through and cycle through the different modes, which is really nice that it comes with that. And the same cable that you would use to charge this device is the exact same cable you would use to charge your light. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video on this amazing product that was sent out by RGB Link and introduce it to you guys and hopefully inspire you guys to get out and start creating things on your own. I think this is an amazing product to have in your arsenal. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.